Here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, a lot has changed since yesterday morning. Let's get you right to the latest headlines. A blizzard watch in effect for southern New England. You can see this covers our entire viewing area. The blizzard watch is shown in green. The winter storm watch is right here in blue. And you're wondering why we have the blizzard watch and our neighbors to the west and east have the winter storm watch. That's because conditions are expected to be worse right over the top of us. We're right in the bullseye of the storm. So not only during a blizzard do you get the heavy snow, you also get very gusty winds leading to very poor visibility. So conditions look like they will go downhill starting tomorrow night into Tuesday. Confidence is growing that this will be a major storm. So a little bit more information about the impacts. Obviously, heavy snow and wind with this blizzard will lead to some likely downed branches. And when you have the downed branches, you can get power lines being ripped down, leading to power outages, dangerous roads, and wouldn't be surprised if we see some flight cancellations. And you often get this even before the storm starts as airlines try to get ahead of the game, taking out some of those flights from their route. So we'll wait and see exactly on that, but definitely call ahead if you have a flight planned out Monday night into Tuesday, even the Wednesday time frame. A possible historic blizzard in the making. Now, the last time we saw 1 foot of snow in Providence, that was the blizzard of 2013, almost 2 years ago. So it's been a while since we've seen a really big storm in Providence, even though last winter was rather active with a lot of little and moderate snowstorms. Now things look beautiful here from the hurricane barrier. You can see nice visibility in the background. Some snow, some ice still on those untreated surfaces, so be mindful of that. Temperatures at or just below freezing. 30 in Smithfield, 32 Taunton, New Bedford at 33, Newport you're at 32, and Block Island now at 36 degrees. Seekonk sitting at 34 degrees and Tiverton at 33. You'll notice some snow to our west, but we'll pick up the mostly sunny skies today. A few clouds kind of cluttering up the skies early, but it'll be a mostly sunny day as these drier breezes clear out, but some snow out there to the north and west. Now, our temperatures, even though they'll be reading in the mid to upper 30s, it's going to feel a little cooler than that because of these gusty winds. Will be gusting between about 25 and 30 miles an hour. So now we fast forward into tonight and tomorrow, and actually through tomorrow afternoon. This is when the first flakes should start to fly. You'll notice on our high-resolution computer model a few little blips of blue by 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Things should be okay for tomorrow afternoon. Even the evening commute should be okay. It's late tomorrow night after 8, 9 o'clock where things will start to go downhill. And then here's what we're looking at Monday night into Tuesday. Center of low pressure just in the perfect position to give us plenty of cold air, but also lots of moisture, and that'll lead to those pretty big snowfall totals. And we'll also see the snow ratio be pretty high, and what that means is it doesn't take as much moisture to produce the same amount of snow. That's why our amounts should be rather high. Now, at this point, I'm forecasting at least a foot and at least 8 inches out here towards Cape Cod. I wouldn't be surprised if many locations exceed 1.5 feet, maybe some isolated areas up to 2 feet of snow. But because we're still a little bit early in the game and there's been so many changes over the past 24 hours, I'm just going to stick with this ballpark number, and then we'll put some ranges on there as we go throughout the afternoon and the evening as we get more data throughout Sunday. So on the Eyewitness News Threat Tracker, we keep you in the low category for today, tonight, obviously, as we go into tomorrow night, and Tuesday we put you in the high category. And in the 7-day Futurecast, because this event lasts for so long, the snow and wind could keep up into early Wednesday morning. That is another problem with the storm, is that unlike yesterday's storm, this one will be a slow mover. It's going to kind of just sit offshore for about a day, day and a half, and it's those storms that can really get us here in southern New England. And look at those temperatures, Brian. Plenty cold enough to give us snow and not rain. Of course, you can always go to our weather blog and our weather discussion